Question number 17. The angle of elevation of the top of a hill at the foot of the tower is 60 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the hill is 30 degree. If the tower is 50 meter, what is the height of hill? That it is hill and it is tower. It is tower and it is hill PQ and RS. It is given. Now the angle of elevation of the top of a hill. Angle of elevation of the top of a hill at the foot of the tower is 60 degree. Foot of the tower and top of the hill, angle of elevation is 60. It is given. From the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the hill is 60 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower. Where is the top of the tower? It is P. From the foot of the hill is S. S is the foot of hill and R is the top of hill. P is the top of tower and Q is the foot of tower. Then the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the hill is 30. It is 30 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, height of tower is 50 meter given, we have to find the height of the hill. Now there are two right angle triangle PQS and RSQ. Firstly we let RS is the hill and PQ is the tower. RS is the hill and PQ is the tower. Then in triangle RSQ, tan 60 degree. It is RSQ. Then we apply tan 60. Tan 60 equal perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is RS and base is SQ. Base is SQ. Value of tan 60 is √3. Then it is RS by SQ. And we have a relation √3 into SQ equal RS. It is our equation 1. Now in triangle PQS, if we apply tan 30, then tan 30 equal perpendicular upon base means PQ upon SQ. Value of PQ is 50 meter, then 50 meter upon SQ. In triangle PQS, tan 30 equal PQ by SQ. Value of tan 30 is 1 by √3. Value of PQ is 50 meter and SQ is unknown. Now we find the value of SQ from here and put it in equation 1. The value of SQ is 50 √3. Now from first equation we have RS equal √3 into SQ. Put the value of S cube we have root 3 into 50 root 3, and RS equal 150 meter. It means height of the hill is 150 meter, and it is answer.